welcome back. I've been having a little trouble with this van here, locking and unlocking, and like to never got the door open. So thought what I might do is take this plate off before the wind gets really bad out here, because it's already blowing this door shut. 4 screws. A little dusty right there. Okay, take a look inside here, and I can see lubrication point here, here, up here, maybe up in here. And I'm going to get some silicone spray because it does not attract dust. I'm turning the key now. So that's the lock mechanism right there. And the handle is right here. So I'm going to get some spray on that, see if I can get it to function better. Trying the handle again. Alrighty, time to put the cover back on. This is a quick and easy fix, hopefully. And lock it. Lock it. This job is done. Till the next video. Cars, trucks, and detours. Bye for now.